Alright, today we're gonna do a painting of sushi. So we'll see how it goes, and hopefully this will be in focus and not me. Alright, the question of the day is, what is the origin of sushi? So the origin of sushi goes back a really long time ago. So 2nd century BC in China, they ate fish, and they would kind of use the rice to hold the fish, eat the fish, and throw out the rice. Now later it developed, there's several phases, but basically in the Edo period of Japan, they developed a technique for combining the rice with the fish, and sushi kind of developed into its own realm within Japanese culture. So that's kind of the origin of sushi. All right, we just finished the painting, so let's take a closer look. So you can see here, I got this tuna avocado. Well, that's probably salmon avocado. Just a really simple sushi. I added kind of an outline in a dark purple, so it kind of contrasts with the lighter purple, lighter blue, and obviously the orange red inside. So, you know, I could work on more, but I think it's basically done. So I'm going to move on to the next painting. So hopefully you guys like it. If you want to subscribe, you can subscribe below. And I'll see you in the next painting video. Thanks for watching, guys.